Welcome to Freshman Physical Education. My name is Melendez, and I am going to be your student's teacher for this semester. Just a little bit about me is that I graduated from Northern Illinois University twice, once with my bachelor's in athletic training and then my master's in physical education. After I finished grad school, I worked at CPS for a year and a half teaching PE and health at an elementary school. This is my second year at LT, and I'm very excited to be returning because I'm local. I'm a graduate from George Washington Middle School and Nazareth, so I'm really excited to be back home and to be connecting with other families. At LT, our mission statement is the Vita Plena, which translates to the quest for the fulfilling life. And our PE program enhances physical fitness and social emotional wellness while providing a range of experiences for students to be active for life. This is still extremely relevant even though we are virtual. We are very passionate about what we do because there are many studies of the positive health benefits of being physically active, but the one we want to highlight here is that there are many studies that prove that being physically active increases the stimulation in the brain, and that often translates to positive academic success. So we are very excited to be part of your child's academic career. Our virtual PE content is going to really be focusing on personal fitness, social emotional skills and strategies, and we also will be covering content such as the components of fitness, workout models, and different body systems. Students will still be expected to be physically active during some of our classes. Occasionally, your student may be given an option to leave their house to complete a workout, and that might be a run or going to play basketball, with the expectation that we will all meet together before the end of our class to really wrap up our class properly. And you should have received an email from me about this, but if there are any issues or you have any concerns about this, please reach out to me. Students will always be given an option that they can complete at home if they are unable to leave. Our main objective here is for students to really find something that they enjoy doing to be physically active. Again, if you have any concerns, please reach out to me and please speak with your child. The assignments your students will have will comprise of some fitness logs, reflections, discussion boards, and different assessments. Our grading, we look at 4 kind of different objectives. Our first one is their ability to kind of break down different content. So that might look for us as looking up some different fitness or sport-related articles and having a reflection and answering some questions. Objective 2 is a written assessment. So we will be having written assessments at the end of each unit, and that is worth 20%, and that first objective is also worth 20%. Objective 3 is our main focus here, and this is our physical movement and engagement. So this will be their participation in our different class workouts, but also their fitness logs and any other proof that they are submitting to us that they are completing workouts. And objective 4, these are more observations and reflections, and this will be a lot of our SEL content and a lot of those different reflections, and that is worth 10%. Medical issues do occur, but we do have some procedures that if you could help us would be wonderful. If it is short-term injury, up to 3 days, please email me prior to the class, and the student will still be expected to participate in the cognitive portion of class. Please indicate if the student can participate in any alternative assignment. So maybe they hurt their ankle, but they will be able to do a seated workout because it will not put any pressure on their foot at all. Please let us, we really want to focus on what the student is able to do. If a student is unable to participate at all, students will have 2 weeks to make up the missed activity once they are released to participate. And they will need to submit a photo or a screenshot to prove that they completed a workout, and I will work with your student to make sure that they have an app that works for them. If there is a long-term medical issue that is going on, please get a doctor's note and send that to the nurse. The nurse will then communicate that with us. If students have restrictions that last beyond 2 weeks, then they will be excused from the activity for the duration of their medical note. If it is 2 weeks or less, they will be required to complete makeups for the missed activity during that time, following a similar procedure as I spoke about a minute ago. You can find all of our course information on Canvas. All of our assignments are there. There is a calendar with the entire semester of assignments, and I'm adding to it as we go. All of our resources are there, and your student can find the most current Zoom links there as well. You can use your student's login information or create an observer account, and those directions can be found on the LTHS website. You can contact me at any time. I will answer within 24 hours. Please reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns about anything at all. My email address is below. Thank you very much and have a wonderful rest of your day.